Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I want to show you how to register a new Bitcoin mining platform, and you are required to use TOKENPOCKET, SafePal Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Bitgate Wallet, or Trust Wallet. In this video, I am going to use TOKENPOCKET to show you how to register. As I said, you could use either of these decentralized wallets that I have just mentioned, as long as they are all operating on Binance Smart Chain, which is BSC network, then you are fine. The cryptocurrencies that we need to have in your wallet will be BNB, USDT, FNBTC, and NEWUSD, and then you will need to have the NEWBTC as well on the wallet. So don't worry about this. I am going to show you how to add all of this into this wallet. So the first thing first that you need to do is to add your FNBTC, since you already have BNB and USDT. However, if you are brand new to this platform and you have just downloaded TOKENPOCKET, you will be required to add BNB and USDT. So if you click on the plus sign there, you will be able to search and add any token here. For you to add any token, you just click on the plus sign beside it and you will be able to add that token. So I am going to add just now the FNBTC. So I'm going to copy the contract address. I will recommend you have all of this information ready at hand before you start your registration. I have left all of these contract addresses in the video description below. So please make sure you copy and follow this instruction. So copy first of all the FNBTC contract address, and then go to your TOKENPOCKET wallet, and then on the search bar you just click into it and paste the address there, and then it will come up with FNBTC. You click the plus sign to add it to your wallet, and then you do the same for the NEWBTC. So select that and you go back again, and then you paste, and then you click the plus sign again to add it, and then you do the last one, okay, because we need all of this in this platform. However, the one that is more important is the one I have just added, which is the FNBTC. So again, select the plus sign, and then now go back to your main menu, and then you will notice that you have all the cryptocurrencies that we need. So the next thing is to send minimum of $16 worth of BNB into this wallet, and also send FNBTC minimum of 0.5 FNBTC into this wallet. You have two options to get your FNBTC. The first option is to send equivalent market value of 0.5 FNBTC and USDT, so that when you send it, as at today that I'm recording this video, it is $40 for 0.5 FNBTC. So if you send $40 worth of USDT, okay, into this bit and then into your wallet, you will be able to use the swap button to swap it from USDT to FNBTC. Okay, so you select FNBTC or just type FNBTC. Select it from here. You can see that it appears on the list, okay, and you will be able to swap your USDT for FNBTC. This is one way to do it. Another way to do it is to swap it in your Trust wallet, okay. So copy the FNBTC contract address, add it to your Trust wallet, and then swap it inside your Trust wallet and send the FNBTC to this place. So I am going to send right now a BNB worth of $16, and of course I'm going to send FNBTC as well. Those are the two cryptocurrencies that we need for us to start mining the new BTC. So let's head out and send BNB and FNBTC to this wallet. All you need to do is to select BNB and then click receive, and then copy the address, and then go to your exchange. If it is Binance you want to send your BNB from, that is fine. If it is any other exchange that can send BNB, you send it from there. Okay, so I am going to go back and then send BNB here, and also send the FNBTC here. Now I have sent across my BNB, which is $18 worth of BNB, 0.024 BNB, and I have also sent my FNBTC. Remember what I said, you need to send the equivalent of this in USDT to your Trust wallet, swap it in your Trust wallet, and then send the FNBTC here. If you want to send the USDT here, you select the USDT and then you click swap. As I said, you can swap your USDT for the FNBTC. Okay, you can do all of that here in your wallet as well. Okay, if you want to do that. But now let's continue with the registration. So all you need to do just now, once you have your BNB and your FNBTC, is to go and copy my link. Okay, so I'm going to go and copy my link. My link will be below this video description. So make sure that you copy the whole link and then go into your Discover. On your Discover, click on the enter URL to visit the app, and then paste the URL there. Okay, and then click go, and that will now take you into the platform. So all you then need to do is to scroll down here, select split fuel, and then type in your FNBTC 0.645. Okay, so I'm going to leave 0.002, and then select all the pools. Okay, so select pool 0, pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, pool 4, pool 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 pools, including the first one that is 0. And then you click approve and mine, click next, and then click approve, and then enter your password. Password to approve it. And then it says approval successful, and then you click mine, and then you click confirm, and then enter your password, and then it's going to go through the blockchain very quickly and approve. There you go, it says mining successful. So this is you in the platform, fully registered. Again, let me recall everything I have said. Okay, when you are registering, you will need to have 3 major cryptos in your TOKENPOCKET wallet. Okay, so let me go back to assets. You will see that I have BNB, I have USDT on BNB Smart Chain Network, and I have my FNBTC. These 3 are very, very important. The NEWBTC and the NEWUSD, you can add them later on. But if you can add it the same time you are adding all of those cryptocurrencies on your asset list, then that is beautiful. Okay, so again, the contract address to add the FNBTC, NEWBTC, and NEWUSDT is in the video description below. And again, remember how to add this. So click on the plus sign, and then click into the address bar and paste the contract address and add it. Okay, that is how to add those 3. Once you have finished adding them, the next thing you have to do is to fund your TOKENPOCKET wallet. Okay, or fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you are using, you have to fund it. So remember to send minimum of $15 or $16 worth of BNB, and then send $40 minimum worth of USDT, okay, or $40 worth of FNBTC. Okay, so you can do that. How do you get FNBTC? You can get FNBTC by swapping your USDT for FNBTC. So if you click on USDT, okay, and you should be able to click on swap bottom right and then change the BNB to FNBTC, because by then you would have added your FNBTC. This is the reason why I added this first, okay, from the beginning, and then you can swap your USDT for FNBTC. Once that is done, you will be able to see your FNBTC and you will also be able to see your BNB. They need the BNB for gas fee and they need the FNBTC for the mining. Okay, FNBTC is the fuel new Bitcoin that we use for the mining of the NEWBTC. Okay, so this is very, very important that you complete the first stage of adding all of these, and then of course funding them as well. Once you finish funding them, the second stage is for you to register correctly by copying my referral link in the video description below, and then click on your discover and then go into the URL area, paste my referral link, click go, and then follow the on-screen instruction. You will then be able to register successfully. This is how to register in the new Bitcoin mining platform. Now, once you have registered, every 4 hours you have to come back here and claim your rewards. When you claim your rewards, you have to go back in and re-enter the mining every 4 hours. How do you claim your reward? I have done a separate video on how to claim your reward, but let me quickly show you how to do that in this video. So if you click into your main menu and then select claim wallet, and then on the claim wallet, once it completes the 4 hours, you will see your FNBTC for you to claim, and then you will also see your bonus fuel to claim. Once you have them, you click on claim fuel refund and then click on claim bonus. Once you have claimed them, you go back to your main menu and then you select mine, and then you go back here and select split and enter the amount of the total fuel that is required, which is what you have in your balance. Okay, once you finish claiming it, and then you select all of these. Okay, select all of these and then click approve and then click mine now, and then that is you entered into the mining again every 4 hours. Once you have successfully done this, you will see where it says mine enabled already, and then you will see this information that says you have already mined in this block. Please wait for the next block to become eligible again. So as I said, you will see the countdown time. Okay, if you go down here, you will see the countdown time. So this has already done almost 1 hour of the 4 hours. Okay, so in the next 4 hours, or in the next 3 hours in this case, you will be able to mine again, right? So this is what we are doing every 4 hours of the day. You do this 6 times a day if you can, right? And you should be able to earn minimum of 2% and above when you are doing this. Simple. This is how to register, guys. I know it is a bit longer than the videos that I usually do, because I am just trying to repeat what I have said to make it a bit more clear. Now, remember, I am available for you to contact me to help you if you are struggling to get on this. Even though I have clearly done this video, I will recommend you watch this video 2 times before you start your registration. Remember my recommendation: watch this video 2 times before you start your registration, so that you will fully understand the steps and then you will be able to register successfully. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.